In today's e-commerce landscape, many merchants seek to expand beyond a single platform and build multi-channel operations. Two of the most powerful platforms are Amazon via its marketplace and fulfillment capabilities, and Shopify as a flexible direct-to-consumer e-commerce storefront. This analysis will explore how a merchant can leverage Amazon products, either their own listings or Amazon-fulfilled inventory within a Shopify store, or conversely, integrate Amazon into their Shopify strategy. While the specific direction selling Amazon products on Shopify may mean different things, we'll walk through the feasible paths, the strategic rationale, the technical and operational steps, as well as pitfalls, compliance concerns, and future considerations. By the end of this, you should have a clear picture of why this strategy may make sense, which models are possible, how to implement it, technology, inventory, fulfillment, listing, pricing, what risks or limitations you must manage, how to grow and optimize the channel, what future trends may change the landscape. Why consider selling Amazon products on Shopify? Amazon offers one of the most extensive fulfillment networks and a highly trusted brand among consumers. By leveraging Amazon's logistics warehouses, pick, pack, ship, returns handling, arguably the best shipping expectations, the merchant can offload supply chain burdens and tap into Amazon's fulfillment efficiency. Additionally, Amazon's reputation for fast shipping and robust customer service can indirectly benefit a Shopify merchant if customers feel confident in shipping and returns. Direct-to-consumer ownership via Shopify. While Amazon is a huge marketplace, selling only via Amazon means you are dependent on Amazon's rules, fees, and customer relationship. By using Shopify, you retain more control over pricing, branding, customer experience, remarketing, and owning the customer relationship. Multi-channel diversification. Relying on one platform is risky. Algorithm changes, policy changes, account health issues, fee increases can hit your business. By adding Shopify as a channel, you diversify risk. You also reach audiences outside Amazon's ecosystem, search engines, social, referral, etc. Inventory and fulfillment efficiency. If you have inventory stored in Amazon Fulfillment Centers FBA, using that same inventory to fulfill Shopify orders via Amazon McFef or other integrations means better utilization of inventory and scale efficiencies. Increased reach and upsell opportunity. By having your products listed in both Amazon and Shopify shops, you may capture customers who favor one channel over another. Also, you can upsell or cross-sell via your Shopify store, for example, through bundles, email marketing, loyalty programs that Amazon's standard marketplace listing may not allow. Business models approaches. The following are several concrete models for how you could sell Amazon products on Shopify. Each has different operational and strategic implications. Model 1. Own products on Amazon FBA plus Shopify front end. In this model, you are a seller who lists products on Amazon Marketplace using FBA for fulfillment and then also lists those exact same SKUs on your Shopify store. When an order comes via Shopify, you either fulfill it via Amazon's multi-channel fulfillment McFef or you route manually. You maintain brand control in Shopify, but use Amazon warehousing logistics. Key benefits: powerful fulfillment, single inventory pool to sales channels. Key challenges: Amazon's FBA costs may be higher than you anticipate. You must ensure Shopify orders trigger McFef or else you risk complexity. Model 2. Shopify Store plus Amazon as fulfillment only. You list products on Shopify, drive traffic via your own marketing channels, but you store inventory with Amazon and fulfill Shopify orders via Amazon's logistics McFef. You might not list the products on Amazon Marketplace. The Amazon site is only used as a back-end fulfillment provider. Benefits: you control branding front-end fully. You outsource fulfillment. Challenges: you still bear Shopify marketing costs, and you must ensure inventory sync, order routing, returns handling all managed well. Model 3. Dropshipping Amazon Marketplace products in Shopify. This is somewhat more contentious and should be approached with caution because of Amazon's policies. You list on Shopify products which are available on Amazon you may buy from Amazon and ship to your customers, or you link to Amazon listings from Shopify, acting essentially as an affiliate or rerouting customer to Amazon. Benefits: very low inventory investment, quick to launch. Challenges: Amazon's terms strictly regulate dropshipping, trademark or brand restrictions. Margin is often thin. Customer experience may suffer. No guarantee of availability or shipping speed. For example, Shopify's blog highlights that buying products from Amazon or other resellers and then shipping them to your customers may violate Amazon's dropshipping policy. Thus, this model is often less recommended unless you are fully compliant and transparent. Model 4. Amazon Buy with Prime integration in Shopify. This is a variation where you allow customers on Shopify to add Prime-eligible products fulfillment via Amazon and checkout via Amazon's trusted cart, or you embed Buy with Prime options while keeping the storefront in Shopify. Amazon describes this: connect Shopify store with Amazon McFef plus Buy with Prime app. Benefits: uses Prime Trust and shipping, while you still drive traffic to your Shopify site. Challenges: only available currently for US orders. For example, Amazon's Built by Amazon app for McFef or Buy with Prime is US only. Marketing and growth strategy on Shopify. Leveraging Amazon fulfillment. Now that your operations are set up, the next focus is growth. How to drive sales on Shopify, make the most of multi-channel reach, and build a sustainable business. Traffic generation and acquisition, SEO and content marketing. Build blog content around your niche or products, long-tail keywords, how-to articles, guides, recipes depending on product. Also optimize product pages, titles, meta tags, structured data to rank in Google and other search engines. Paid advertising. Run targeted ads on Google Ads, Shopping and Search, Facebook or Meta feed, Instagram, TikTok for younger demographic, Pinterest if product is visual. Use retargeting on visitors who didn't convert. Influencer and affiliate marketing. Partner with niche influencers who resonate with your target audience. You may offer discount codes or affiliate commissions. Email marketing. Collect email addresses via pop-ups, early access offers, lead magnets, send newsletters, abandoned cart emails, product recommendations, repeat purchase reminders. Social proof and reviews. Show customer testimonials, user-generated content UGC, Instagram posts. If you can get reviews on Amazon for the same SKU, you may display as seen on Amazon 4.8 badge on Shopify provided you have rights. Referral and loyalty programs. Incentivize customers to refer friends. Discount for referrer plus referee. Loyalty points for repeat purchases, which builds lifetime value. Bundling and upselling. Offer bundles, for example, buy this plus this and save 10. Cross-sell during checkout or order confirmation. You might also like exclusive Shopify-only offers to steer customers to your site versus Amazon. Provide exclusive items or early access discounts only via Shopify. Retention and loyalty. After a purchase, send a thank you email, request a review, offer complimentary products, segment customers by purchase behavior, new versus returning, high spend versus low spend, product category, tailor communications accordingly. Introduce subscription models if suitable or bundles for repeat purchases. Implement loyalty program points, tiers, re-engage lapsed customers with "We Miss You" campaigns, personalized offers. Use customer feedback to improve product or offering. Gather testimonials, reviews, UGC. Amazon policy risks. Amazon has strict rules around seller behavior, shipping or delivery times, returns, customer experience. If Amazon fulfillment is used for Shopify orders via McFef, these still apply and you can be penalized if service falls below standard. Dropshipping via Amazon. Buying from Amazon and reselling via Shopify is risky unless you have the right permissions. Amazon's dropshipping policy requires you to be the seller of record and ensure that packing slips, invoices, external packaging do not identify a third-party retailer. Violation may result in suspension. Shopify's blog highlights this caution. Shopify. If you list your SKUs on Amazon Marketplace and also sell via Shopify, Amazon monitors price parity. Significantly lower price off Amazon may trigger repricing issues or penalties. Inventory and oversell risk. If inventory is not synchronized properly between Amazon and Shopify, you risk overselling or selling out unexpectedly, leading to cancellations and customer dissatisfaction. Buffering and real-time sync reduce this risk, but do not eliminate it. Returns and refunds may require stock being returned, impacting available inventory. Plan for that. Tax, customs, and regulatory compliance. Selling internationally has tax and customs obligations, VAT, GST, import duties. If you aren't compliant, you may face fines. Returns across borders may be complex or expensive. Data protection or privacy. GDPR and EU or UK compliance when collecting emails or customers on Shopify must be handled. Consent, cookies, data retention. If you store inventory in Amazon fulfillment centers in different countries, you must understand local regulations, storage, disposal, returns, taxes. Conclusion: selling Amazon fulfillment products on Shopify or integrating Amazon inventory or fulfillment into your Shopify storefront presents a compelling strategic opportunity. You combine the fulfillment scale and trust of Amazon with the brand control, customer ownership, and marketing flexibility of Shopify. But it is not trivial. Success requires careful strategic planning, margin, fulfillment, inventory, strong technical integration apps, SKU mapping, inventory and order sync, rigorous operations fulfillment, reliability, returns handling, disciplined marketing, traffic, acquisition, conversion optimization, retention and risk management, policy compliance, cost pressures, stockouts. The key takeaways: choose the right model, for example, own product listed on Amazon plus Shopify, Shopify store fulfilled via Amazon, or hybrid depending on your business goals and resources. Invest upfront in integration, inventory sync, fulfillment mapping, and test thoroughly. Ensure your Shopify storefront is optimized, branding, conversion, traffic, so you're not simply replicating your Amazon listing but building a differentiated experience. Ensure your Shopify storefront is optimized, branding, conversion, traffic, so you're not simply replicating your Amazon listing but building a differentiated experience. Monitor key metrics: CAC, LTV, margin, fulfillment cost, inventory turn, and scale prudently. Stay agile. Fulfillment costs, marketplace policies, logistics dynamics, consumer expectations all evolve, so you must adapt. If executed well, this strategy can help you expand reach, improve efficiency, and build a stronger, more resilient direct-to-consumer business while leveraging one of the world's largest fulfillment networks.